Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to filter your Instagram tagged photos and videos from the past year using the latest update. This is a great way to quickly find memories or posts you've been tagged in over the last 12 months. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Next, look for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, located at the top right of your profile screen. Tap on that to open the menu. From the menu options, select Your Activity. This section helps you manage all your interactions and content on Instagram. Inside your activity, find and tap on Tags. This is where you can see all the posts and photos where you've been tagged by other users. Now, here's the important part. Tap the Filter by Date option. This allows you to narrow down the tagged posts based on a specific time frame. From the Date filter options, choose Past Year. Instagram will then display only the posts where you were tagged within the last 12 months. And that's it. You've successfully filtered your tagged posts by the past year. This feature is especially handy if you want to review recent memories or manage your tagged content more efficiently. Remember, Instagram updates its features regularly, so it's always good to explore the Your Activity section to see what new tools are available to help you organize your profile better. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to filter your Instagram tagged posts by the past year with ease. Give it a try and take control of your tagged content today.